Welcome to Skill English again. Today, another interesting session. The difference between few and a few. What's the difference between a few and only few? This session will be very interesting. So relax, sit for a while and understand the difference between few and a few. But before I start the session, I would like to express my gratefulness to all my subscribers and viewers who are helping Skill English grow. Those who are new to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe Skill English and also go and hit the like button below. I hope you will be enjoying the session. And all my old subscribers, again I am expressing my gratefulness for your continued support to help the channel Skill English grow. So friends, let's start today's session and it will be all about the difference between few and a few. Few and a few. Remember, both these words few and a few are used with countable nouns. That's the key. Few and a few are both used with countable nouns. Now, what's the difference then? Few conveys a negative meaning and a few conveys a positive meaning. Once again I am telling, both the words few and a few are used with countable nouns. That you have to keep in mind. Next thing, few conveys a negative meaning, a few conveys a positive meaning. So if I say like this, I have few friends, that means I don't have many friends. I have few friends, that means I don't have many friends. But if I say I have a few friends, that means I have some friends. It conveys a positive meaning. So remember to use it correctly. If you are using it, I have few friends, that means you are trying to tell someone that you don't have many friends here. It conveys a negative meaning. But if you say, I have a few friends, that means you are trying to express or trying to tell someone that you have some friends. I hope you have understood the difference between few and a few. It's very easy. Keep in mind, few and a few are used with countable nouns. First of all, few conveys a negative meaning and a few conveys a positive meaning. So if you say, I have few friends, that means you are saying you don't have many friends here. But if you say, I have a few friends, that means you are telling someone that I have some friends here. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this session. So if you have enjoyed this session, please don't forget to go and hit the like button below, and all my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, goodbye from Skill English. Thank you for visiting my channel.